Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Cabeza de Cohete. So today I purchased a Keurig K-Select single serve coffee maker. And here's the box. So I've always wanted one of these, but as a heavy coffee drinker, I always thought that it wasn't enough. It wasn't gonna be enough for me. But I'm starting to realize that I need to cut back on my coffee intake. The amount that I take every day is not healthy for me. So this is what I currently use. You know, a standard old-fashioned coffee maker with the filter and the ground coffee at the top. So it's time for me to retire that because every day I have a full pot of that in coffee, and that's just not healthy. So I'm gonna limit myself to 4 of the K-Cups, which I got at Costco. I got a box of 120 K-Cup pods of Kirkland Signature Pacific Bold Dark Roast Coffee at Costco. So I'm going to limit myself to 4 of these a day. So 2 in the morning before I get out the door to work, and then 2 more in the afternoon after I get back from work. That way I still get my coffee, I still get that boost that I need, but I'm not like overdoing it with this huge pot right here. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I hope it works. I'm thinking that because I'm not gonna like quit outright cold turkey, that I'm not gonna have like severe withdrawal symptoms. So let's hope for the best. So I've already taken out of the box. I'm ready to install the filter, the water filter. Here it is. Looks pretty nice. Doesn't take up much space. I like the color. It looks slick, very modern. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the water filter. Let's see. Okay, so what I did was I soaked this little mushy thing in a cup of water for 5 minutes. You just leave it in there. And then I took it out and I rinsed it for 60 seconds under running water. And you're supposed to get this and then rinse it also. The little mesh. This is the lower part of the filter. This was gonna hold this under there. Okay, so let me just show you. So you put it like this. Okay, you see that? Okay. Then take this upper part of the filter and you do this until it locks. There it is. It's not going anywhere. Okay. You get your water tank. Okay, and then you just push it in until it snaps. There we go. Okay. So that's I've already used it once, so I forgot this part. I just forgot about it. So I'm gonna do it right now. So I'm gonna fill it up with water. So I fill it up to the max line. The max line. So you just snap it back into place, just like this. Okay. Alright. Put a lid on it. And you're supposed to replace the water filter every 2 months. Okay? So we're ready for the fun part. So we're ready to brew some coffee. I've installed the water tank, put in the filter, got my K-cup right here. Okay, so here is the power button. Okay. And it starts, you know, making noise. That means it's waking up. So I'm gonna brew one. I'm gonna put it right in there. Okay. Lower the handle. And then you see all the options, they flash in blue. So I feel that the middle one right here, it's gonna be like the balanced option for me, because I know I got the bold roast coffee, but I really don't want it to be that strong, so I'm gonna, you know, use the middle one so it can put more water in it. That way it will sort of lighten it up a bit. That's just, you know, how I'm thinking. I don't really want it strong, so I'm gonna click on the strong so it turns soft to strong, and then I'm gonna press the middle one. So now it's brewing. And there you have it, folks. Fresh coffee instantly. Awesome. So this is gonna be very helpful for me in the morning. I mean, I'm gonna be like, I dread having to work with this thing right here. I dread it. But with this, just look at this. It looks so nice, and just right away you know, you just smell and see the coffee. It's awesome. So that's a pretty good amount of coffee in there. I'm so excited. So there you have it, folks. The Keurig K-Select single serve coffee maker. For a great start to your day. Thank you for watching.